Welcome back. Today we are going to study about OEE calculations and the strategies to improve the OEE. In this video, we will study what is OEE, what are its components and how to calculate the score of these components as well as the strategies to improve the OEE. OEE is also called as overall equipment effectiveness. It is a metric for monitoring and improving the efficiency of the machines, cells or the assembly lines. It is very useful tool in improving the productivity. Basically, OEE consists of three main components: availability, performance and quality, and there are some recommended standard values for this. Generally, availability is 90%, performance is 95% and quality must be equal to 99.9%, and overall value for the OEE is 85% and above. Let us study the first component, that is the availability. Availability is nothing but the ratio of operating time to planned production time. This availability score can be easily improved if we reduce the downtime losses. Downtimes may be because of different reasons such as equipment failure, failure of tooling, setup changeover time or the warm up time of the machine. This downtime may also increase because of the shortage of the material and operator or unplanned maintenance. Let us try to understand with an example. If a shift is of 8 hours, out of 8 hours we actually run for 7 hours because some time is reserved for the lunch as well as tea time. So, planned production time is 420 minutes, but if we utilize only 360 minutes, this is a typical example in most of the industries. So, assuming that because of some changeover time as well as the shortage of the material and the tool, operating time is 360, whereas planned production time is 420. So, you will find the availability comes around 85.71%. Let us talk about the second parameter, that is the performance. Performance is calculated by simply the taking ratio of net run rate to the ideal run rate. To improve the performance, we need to reduce the speed loss. Speed losses may be because of the small stops. Small stops is due to the obstructed flows, component jams or the blocked sensors, or you will find the equipment wear and the operator inefficiency may also cause of the speed loss. Let us continue with the same example. We have studied that the equipment has run for 360 minutes. So, if we produce 300 components in 360 minutes, our actual run rate is equal to 0.833 units per minute, and if the standard rate is 60 units per hour, then you will find ideal run rate comes around 1 unit per minute, and therefore, the performance, which is the ratio of net run rate to the ideal run rate, becomes 0.833 or 83.33%. Now, look at the third parameter, that is quality. Quality is the ratio of good units produced upon total units produced, and %. So, there is a scope. We have studied initially the OEE can be improved up to 85% easily. So, we can improve this OEE by 21%, and to improve this OEE by 21%, we need to follow some strategies. One of the strategies is minimize unplanned breakdown, because breakdown causes the downtime loss, and downtime loss causes the reduction in availability. Similarly, the reduction in setup time as well as adjustment is required, because these two are also causes the downtime loss, and so if you control on first two, the availability will improve. Second, we have to reduce the speed loss. The speed loss may be due to the small stops, or speed loss may be due to the inefficiency of an operator. So, if you control the speed loss, performance will be improved, and the last part, that is quality, can be also improved if the losses due to improper setup or during the warm up periods are reduced. To improve the quality, we need to keep watch on the rejection, and rejection should be controlled. And in the era of Industry 4.0, there are some sensors which are available, which will generate the data for the online availability, performance and the quality, so that instant feedback is available to us, and we can make some changes, and we can improve on OEE immediately. There is no need to wait till these reports are generated. So, we can take the advantage of Industry 4.0 in this era, and we can have easily improvement in OEE. So, in our next lecture, we will study what are all different case studies in which an attempt has been made to improve the OEE. Thank you for watching this video.